Prior to the mid-1980s, Ariens snow throwers all shipped from the factory with a stubby discharge chute. The longer, taller chutes give the snow a little more laminar flow. They also allow the snow to stay in the blast from the impeller longer, aiding in tossing the white stuff at higher heights and farther distances. And we are going to do a modification where we steal the base ring, the sawtooth gear ring, off one of the short and stubbies, and we graft it to a taller, longer chute. Here's the impeller view of the two chutes, the new taller chute being on the left, and the old stubby with the sawtooth gear ring on the right. Another view of the OEM delivered short and stubby base gear ring with the sawtooth direction control gearing. The new taller chute, but notice it's missing the sawtooth gear ring. So we have to take the sawtooth gear ring off the old one and take the new gear ring off the taller chute and weld in the sawtooth gearing. And let's get to that shortly. Here we've gone and cut off the base rings, and also on the new chute, the support mechanism and the turning collar has been removed off the nape of the neck, the back of the chute. There's no need for that since the gearing on the base ring will be turning the direction of the chute. The old 4 decades base ring gear with the sawtooth gearing has been run through the sandblaster and cleaned up to base metal. A close-up of the sawtooth gear ring and its teeth. Very good shape actually for a 40-year-old machine after all the rust and crud and old paint has been removed. This is a test fit up of the old base ring with the new chute. We also cut out a wedge you can see there to the left of the base ring. That wedge was taken out of the back of the chute. This will allow the chute to stand up taller. There's no need to have the chute bent over like a banana because we've removed the extra support rotation mounting bracket that the new machines use. After the base ring has been mounted to the new chute, test fit it on the ST824 to see how she fits and rotates, and it fits and rotates perfectly. So the only thing left to do is clean it up and paint it and run some snow through it. Here's a close-up of the old 40-year-old base ring welded, MIG welded to the new, longer, taller chute. And the weld bead goes all the way around. Since the chute's a little taller, the joint between the base ring and the chute is going to see a little bit more stress and vibration. So a weld bead was put all the way around the collar and the chute. And that's the end of this project.